Oh, look at the noise, man. I mean, this is what. Oh, fuck. My roommate, my buddy, is sleeping in his room. I mean, I just locked the door from out and came here. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So I know, guys, you all must be, waiting for my another video to come. I know it's been a month. I have not posted any of my videos, not given any of the further updates on where I'm gonna ride or not. So that is what I'm going to tell you all, guys, in my video. So actually, the thing is, like, due to my some personal work and personal stuff, I was not able to go on to rides and shoot off my bike ride videos and everything. But now I guess I am a bit free, so I'll be again starting on my rides. I'll be again shooting the new content of my bike riding on and everything. So with that, I'm going to start everything. On है, हाँ on है.
रिकॉर्डिंग करते ना ब्रो
हाँ हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग कर आप रहा हूँ
हाँ पूरा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है हाँ. सो द होल सिनेरियो इज नाउ इट्स लाइक आई मीन अभी जो पूरा सिनेरियो है गाइस वो इस तरह है कि नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माई राइड्स अगेन फ्रॉम दिस वीकेंड और मे फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट वीक बिकॉज एज I said, I am gonna start my new rides in the monsoon. So now the monsoon season has begun. I know the monsoon has not yet started to that extent which we are expecting, but yes, somehow within in between our rides we can really feel that we will feel the rain coming by the end of this week or the next week. We'll be riding now. Well, I could say now it's been a month I have not been riding. I mean, okay, I mean I have been riding my bike but not to far places, to any city or exploring somewhere. So even though at what time, okay, now it's 1 a.m right now, and you can see still you can still see the traffic here in Hyderabad. So far what I can say, like, I am just going to explore first Bangalore now. I mean, it has been saying like it has one of the beautiful NH44 stretch. I mean, NH44 being the longest, the highway, which is starting from like Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So between which the stretch from Hyderabad to Bangalore is one of the smoothest NH44 stretch and one of the smoothest 4-lane stretch, which I have heard from the Instagram and also I have checked in the reels now. But somehow when I have checked here now in Google Maps few days back, they were showing some road patch or some kind of road work being going on. So let us see how much true it is, like how much the road is good now to drive, like in the coming week. The reason why I'm speaking in English with you guys, because I know mostly I upload my videos in Hindi. The reason why I'm just recording my video in English is just to reach out to you in more and more numbers, so that you all guys can understand and you just don't have to translate my videos or auto dub this thing. I know YouTube does auto dub and all everything, but I don't know, it doesn't go with my videos. I don't know what's the case in my videos. I know my English won't be like very good grammatically or it won't sound that good, but somehow it would be understandable. I know. I know now most of the riders are going for Ladakh rides and all everything, but actually I have not done many of the rides. I have not been through heavy environmental conditions like heavy snow or very low temperatures in the winter and all, or very heavy summers, if you see, like 48 degrees and all, like. So my body is not that adaptive, and also I would say my bike is also not adaptive to such conditions. Also, what kind of modifications would require to travel to such destinations and all everything. So that is what something I'll be learning now, because I'll be starting my monsoon rides. So yeah, so that will eventually gonna help me to prepare myself for the new rides and all everything. So yeah, we'll be doing Ladakh one day, but yeah, that day is yet to come. It would be like next year, or maybe next year, September October period, whatever period suits us, and at whatever time the road conditions are good for us. I mean, this time whoever went to Ladakh, there were some petrol crisis and all everything. But now I guess I have seen through Instagram and all everywhere from my sources, like now the petrol is available in like full quantity. but still now the people go quite in groups and all, and this is mostly the season to go to Ladakh and all everywhere, to Spiti Valley and to Nepal, to Bhutan, everywhere. So these are kind of some mountain places where you won't eventually get petrol at like 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 50 kilometers like we usually get on national highways, state highways, or assisted highways. That is something we need to be very careful of, and we need to make sure we calculate everything, like how much our vehicle is going to travel and what speed we need to maintain on everything. Make sure we make our body fit for driving that many of kilometers and all. So yeah, that's everything we need to look after, because what people usually feels like, okay, it's nothing, it's just a camera which is being set up on the helmet and to start the bike and ride. No, it's not like that. Eventually when you drive 100 kilometers you feel nothing, you drive 200 kilometers you don't feel nothing, but eventually when the kilometers gets starts increasing, like from 100 to 200 to 300, you would eventually feel like your body is getting bit of tired, your body is asking for more water. You have your hydration packs, everything, and if you are like a beginner or amateur, you'll soon start feel that kind of tiredness. I mean, while riding you won't feel it, but eventually if you are going for a day one for approximately 500 to 600, it will take you approximately 9 to 10 hours, maybe 6 to 7, depend on the road, depend on what speed, depend on your experience. So, and eventually when you go to the hotel room for to take a rest, and when you just take off your riding gears and you just go for a nap and just put yourself onto the bed, relax yourself, at that point of time your body, your back, your legs, everything is going to shout with pain and say that okay, you are not going to be available for the next day to ride, because your body is in so much tired with pain on everything. This is something that will eventually get endured, or your body will get more and more endurance once you go on to do bigger and bigger rides. Okay, for the monsoon trips I am mostly gonna do Maharashtra first, but that doesn't mean like I'm just gonna go for Maharashtra. I would definitely go for Karnataka and also Kerala as well. It depends on what kind of weather situation I face in Maharashtra or somewhere in south, wherever I wish to plan to travel. Everything will depend on all those scenarios, and what what dates are available for me to ride, and how I make available all those things for me, and whatever things are needed for the ride and all, everything. Well, yes, what I said, like, okay, yeah, I'll just show you one place in Hyderabad. I know most of you, whoever are watching this video from Hyderabad, they must be knowing that place. And for those who haven't, who are not from Hyderabad or who haven't watched that place in any of the Instagram, I'll just show. I mean, there is this street called, I mean, it's nothing called, it's now there is a famous cafe, it's called as Cafe Nilofer. It's just being like, I mean, it's been months now it is established. So there you can see that Snowart is, and there are too many firms here. I mean, since I work in pharma, so I know Snowart is a very big firm. There are other firms as well here. So that road what I am talking about is basically the road where usually supercars, or the ones who own BMWs, Audi, Mercedes, and the ones who owns good bikes like Kawasaki and all, everything, Ducati, they would definitely show up over there and do their high speed stunt. But eventually police is also very much keeping up their fielding set over there to stop all this kind of thing. I mean, if you do everything carefully, then it's fine, no issue. But if you don't, you are actually gonna pay the price. So this is from where the road will come. But eventually we'll just go through this Durgam Cheru bridge right now, and we'll come back and I'll show you that road round. Well, see, I'm not doing anything much right now. I'm just shooting, I'm just taking you through the Hyderabad city. You see the people's shooting something. So shooting the video, they will be putting it on Instagram and everything. You can hear some noises, I know, in my videos where in this video where you will be hearing some noise of the bike silencers. I know they eventually aftermarket modified exhaust which they put up on their bikes and make loud noises. Well, I find it good, but eventually when you do that sound more and more into the public just for for seeking attention, so I don't feel that is something which a good rider should practice. But well, it's everyone's choice whether they want to do it or not. This is something which usually heals me. I mean, whenever I'm a bit of a stress from any kind of a situation, it's maybe job related or anything, whatever thoughts can come to your mind usually at 1 a.m., 12 p.m., or 2 p.m., sometimes 2:30 also. Due to which boys don't sleep usually at that time. Usually when they are out of city, not in their native place or the hometown. I mean, since my new friend or my roommate is from Vizag, he is usually, speaking a lot about Vizag is like that, Vizag is like that. I mean, the roads are good. There is no much of a traffic during this time or during the peak city hours, everything. But it depends on city to city. Now, Hyderabad has been one of the largest growing cities in any sector. If you see, maybe if you say in banking, if you say in IT, if you say in pharma, if you say in healthcare. Any sector, if you see, Hyderabad is something which everyone is looking at it right now, because if you see Mumbai, although being one of the major growing cities, but still now Hyderabad being a city on land completely, so it is something where can expand it to whatever limit you want to. But yeah, there are some expectations, I know. So due to which this traffic at 1 a.m. has been increasing due to high opportunities with respect to each and every field, to whoever wants to apply for a job, open a startup or everything. Say, look, there is something coming from my... Oh my god, that's a BMW. Oh, look at the noise, man. I mean, this one. Oh fuck. There was no number plate on the car as well. I mean, see, these are something the roads which go to various, road number 10, 11, everything. And I know now I am driving on a weekday, so you won't be able to see that many cars. But really, I mean, what I can say. So this is something which belongs to high class people, high class locality. But that way the car and the way the car was being driven, it can be driven at this time only, not in the daytime. So now here, at least in Jubilee Hills, I can feel that okay, like it's really 1 a.m. You can see the people coming out of sunroof of their cars. You can see there are people who are working in the night shift as well. That's why you can see everything has been like all nights being there working. And people coming up with their families, with their girlfriends, and all the male besties coming and all on Tripsy, sitting on the bridge. It's risky. The police will definitely come and get them off. But yeah, but this is something which can't be explored in daytime. So yeah, eventually people come here up at night, I mean, to get themselves relaxed. I mean, nowadays the life is very busy right now, because you are not able to meet your friends, you're not able to travel to your particular destination. I mean, some are able to, some are not. So yeah, this is something Bahadawar City Road. Yeah. So yeah, there is nothing much to show here. I know the stalls, everything they have closed now. I mean, obviously it's not a weekend now. It's a weekday. I mean, today I guess it's Wednesday. So yeah, there won't be anything open as of now, because there won't be that much rush to do anything. Otherwise, if you come on weekends, you would see everyone would be sitting on these dividers and everything. And I mean, look at the city, man. I mean, it still looks so beautiful during the night. I mean, yeah. Let's see whether this road is, yeah. Okay, so here comes the main road, where actually, the people to the stand, see, here is some kind of rail being shot. And actually, it's not a Friday night, not even a Saturday night. So I could not show you like exactly what happens here on this road. But I would just like to let you know, guys, this is the main road where all those things are being done, all kind of stunts and all everything. Now the reason for me to come here on Wednesday It's just basically to get myself free, to get myself relaxed a bit. I was like missing my rides from last 30 days, so I eventually wanted to make a free myself. My roommate, my buddy is sleeping in his room. I mean, I just locked the door from out and came here. So well, that's it, guys. From my end, whatever I just wanted to update you regarding my rides and everything. Oh my god, these speed breakers on the road, I mean, eventually makes me feel like, oh my god, what road I am driving on. This road is usually famous for shooting. I mean, I know eventually now there is no film shooting going on, but somewhere or the other day there is some kind of shooting going on. You see the people getting photos and all everything. So that's all, guys, from my end. Whatever I wanted to update you regarding my new vlogs, my new trips, and how you can join, I'll post it on my Instagram reel as well. What I would just say is, like, guys, live your life freely, do whatever you want to do in your life. Just go for it like crazy, do your hard work, smart work, whatever it is, whatever it's gonna take to achieve that, and enjoy your life. I mean, if you have a bike, then do a bike ride, come at night, explore. But yes, take your helmet, put on your helmet. Just because police is not looking, don't do that. Wear your helmet, wear your riding jackets, everything, if you have a good super bike. And even if you're having a normal one, just wear proper essential riding gears whichever are required. And yeah, that's it. Till then, guys, stay safe, ride safe. Bye, guys, good night.